Hi there, welcome back to the Selling Guys. Today we're looking at how you can boost sales by winning the Amazon Buy Box. To put things into perspective, over 80% of all Amazon sales happen directly through the Buy Box. Think about that for a second. When a customer hits Add to Cart, they aren't scrolling through a directory of sellers, they're just defaulting to the seller the algorithm picked for them. If you aren't winning that spot, you're practically invisible. Securing this little piece of digital real estate is the difference between scaling your business and totally flatlining. Quick note, Amazon did recently rebrand this as the featured offer, but it's generally still referred to as the buy box by most people. Looking at fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, versus fulfilled by merchant, FBM, FBA sellers can literally price their items 10 to 15% higher than FBM sellers and still win the box. The algorithm favors sellers who use Amazon's own logistics network. Before you can win, you must be eligible to be considered for the buy box. There are two basic requirements here. Step 1. Upgrade to a professional seller account. Step 2. Your items have to be listed in completely new condition. But what happens when the button just vanishes from a product page? You've probably seen this. We call this buy box suppression, and it's usually because the current price is higher than the manufacturer's suggested retail price, or none of the sellers listing the product are eligible to be considered. So, let's look at the algorithm in more detail. There are about 10 different metrics being crunched by Amazon to decide your slice of the pie. Amazon then considers your price, shipping lead time, and availability. Ideally, your lead time should be under 3 days, and you should have a healthy amount of stock listed to meet current demand. The next thing to pay attention to is your account health. This really needs to be perfect across the board to give you a chance of beating the competition. Negative feedback or A to Z claims can ruin your eligibility for the buy box. One question we get a lot is, can I win the buy box if Amazon is selling the product themselves? The answer is yes. But when Amazon sells on a listing, the algorithm just treats them as an FBA seller with perfect metrics. This means if you can match this and have a similar price, you can easily be given a share of sales. Okay, let's look at the 6 main strategies for getting more sales. You're going to want to 1. Sell using FBA. 2. Reduce your order defect rate. 3. Improve your sales history. 4. Improve your feedback. 5. Use intelligent repricing. And 6. Maintain your stock levels. You need to focus particularly on keeping your order defect rate, or ODR, below 1%. This includes negative feedback, guarantee claims, and chargebacks. Building up your sales history on a product is a great strategy for replacing a competitor that's hogging the listing. You need to temporarily undercut their price. This may mean you lose money initially, but it will help you increase your sales velocity over 7 to 10 days. This should lock you in as the new favorite seller. You can then incrementally raise your price until it's profitable. And because your recent velocity, you should now keep the buy box. A lot of sellers now use automated repricing tools to make adjustments. This means doing it manually isn't really realistic anymore, and you will always be behind the curve. You could use Amazon's free automated pricing tool, but it's fairly limited. The best option is using repricing software like BeCool. It lets you set highly customized rules to protect your margins while still winning the buy box rotation. Sellers who switch to repricers like BeCool see an average 35% jump in their sales and their overall percentage share of the featured offer. It also saves you valuable time. The more sophisticated repricers will also adjust your prices up, as well as down, when there is an opportunity to maximize your profits. This can make a big difference to profits. So, to summarize, by maintaining totally flawless metrics, leaning heavily into FBA, understanding how to increase sales velocity, and putting intelligent repricing software to work for you, you now have the structured blueprint to scale your business and dominate those listings. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help. And if you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. I'll include a link to the full article and other resources mentioned in the description below. For more help, please join our friendly Facebook group where you can discuss side hustles, passive income ideas, Amazon FBA, and online selling with fellow entrepreneurs. Link in the description. Thanks so much for joining me and happy selling.